All right, this is a Palisade Limited for one of my favorite customers. Making a quick little video here so you can see what it's all about. Feel free, if you're interested in something like this or us preferencing one for you, we can get you one. If you're, it takes a little bit of time, but we can get them for you. We sell a lot of them. This is the Hyper White with a light colored interior. They call it a tan interior. You make the call when you look at it. I'd almost call it white, but it is definitely a tan interior. This is the limited package. So Hyundais are pretty simple. You get either an SE, an SEL, limited, or a calligraphy. There's some few changes for SELs, but the limiteds are all the same. And the limited actually has all the same stuff that the calligraphy has. The calligraphy has just a little bit different look with a little more polish, a couple more interior trim features. As far as safety equipment goes, they are identical. And options, as far as like paying options, they are identical. So check out the inside. Again, the light colored interior comes with the light colored wood grain. It is a beige interior, but when you got the sun on it, it almost looks like it's white. Love the fact that you can lengthen the seat if you want to lengthen the seat. This does have lane keep assist, lane departure warning. It also has rear cross traffic alert, rear blind zone alert, forward collision alert, and adaptive cruise control. Now I love the adaptive cruise control on these vehicles because once your cruise is set in this car will steer itself down the highway with very little input from you. They've also got a really big color touch display with your navigation built into it. You can also have user profile settings, your navigation menu, all your menus right there, and very easy to touch, very easy to bring up at any time. Interior, a little bit different than some of our other cars, but very similar to all Hyundais right now, as you've got the push button shifters. Has your heated and cooled seats along with a heated steering wheel. You also have your view control right up here, so you have your surround vision. So a couple of new improvements that they've made is we can make quite a few changes to what you're actually looking at when you're in reverse or when you're in drive. Can zoom in, we can look at just the sides of the vehicle, so as we go forward it's all right there, very easy to see. You do have the ability to shut off auto stop if you so choose to. You also have a multi-mode all-wheel drive, four-wheel drive setup with a smart mode, a snow mode, an economy mode, a comfort mode, and a sport performance mode. Love the center console. You can move the cup holders around. So if you want to fit bigger cups in there, or if you want to hold your cup of coffee in there, you can. Also comes with a wireless charger. A little hard to see right there, but when you set your phone on there, a little light will pop on right there to let you know that it's actually charging. Very deep center console. There's also a USB port for charging in there and a removable tray. One of our favorite features is this does have your regular sunroof up front, and then you have a shade in the back that's power. You do have controls right up here to open or close the shade. That's with these buttons right up here. So at any time when you're up front, you can open that shade up. All limited models come with this. Limiteds also come with second row buckets with armrests that fold up. You've got your side shades on the side. Your heated and cooled second row seats. And your rear air controls right here, along with the household plug-in and a 12-volt plug-in. You'll also notice there are USB chargers on the side of the seats. Love that feature. You also have a power fold feature, kick forward, or if you want, you can hit the one on the top. Either way to get into the back seat. This does have a hands-free lift gate as well, which you can program. So you just walk up to the back of it, It'll beep at you 3 times and then open. Plus you also have a power fold 3rd row seat. I think the only detraction on that is it's slightly slower than its competition. We have this in the High Country Traverse as well, but you can only get it in the High Country Traverse, whereas you can get it in the Limited and you can get it in the Calligraphy model. This one happens to have a mat that covers up the back of them as well. So you got a nice cargo mat right there. Headrests fold back automatically. Plus you can flip them right back up very easily. Plus you can also fold the 2nd row if you want to. There is storage in this back, a nice big space for storage. This one happens to have wheel locks, a first aid kit, and then it looks like some type of cargo net. Love the headlights up front. You got full LEDs and then LED daytime running lights. Sensors all the way around the vehicle for parking assist. It's just a great looking vehicle. These are usually sold probably about a month before they get to the dealership. We do sell a lot of them. We can track one down for you. We can preference one for you. We can get you what you're looking for. But you do have to have a little bit of patience with them because since they came out in 19 as a 20 model, they have been our best selling new SUV, and they are never in stock for more than a few days, other than the basic models. We'll stick around for a little bit, but not too long. Thanks again for your interest. If you want to know more, feel free to give me a call, 800-642-1566. Thank you.